D for divine wisdom of Allah. Again. D for divine wisdom of Allah. Last time. D for divine wisdom of Allah. E for ever living. Again. E for ever living. Last time. E for ever living. F for forgiver. Again. F for forgiver. Last time. F for forgiver.